Right now.
New tonight, an apparent feud between neighbors finding its way to Kent County Court. Fox 17's Sam Lanstra has more on the history between the two families and what happened Wednesday before the judge.
In a preliminary hearing today, both Suriya Davenport and his son, Majer, were bound over to circuit court. They're charged with assault and resisting arrest. These charges stem from an incident in March involving Brett Butler, their neighbor. Butler has an easement on the Davenport's Byron Township property. It lets him travel down a two-track road to reach his own land behind the Davenports. But the alleged tensions between these families reached a boiling point. And today, we saw video evidence of that in court.
Sunday, March 10, Brett Butler calls law enforcement, asking for supervision. He and his sons want to remove landscaping stones they say were placed on the easement by the Davenports.
Probably so heavy that a person couldn't lift them, and that's why I brought the tractor.
Deputies told Butler to wait.
Hitting the stones would have obviously started damaging my equipment.
But he didn't.
So I merely pushed them off to the west to be able to allow me to move the trailer up the driveway and gain access to my property.
When Suriya Davenport saw, he confronted the Butlers. And video shows his son Majer walk up with a handgun.
I was in fear for my life with that handgun, so I chose not to fight back for fear that then I would certainly get shot.
The video also shows Suriya punching Butler and Butler appearing to run over Suriya's foot. When police show up,
you with the blue shorts, he needs to come over here. Okay, he's not coming.
They arrest the Davenports.
Stop! 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 Right now! Get on the ground!
During testimony, Brett Butler said he has a right to travel on and maintain the easement due to an injunction.
I have no issues with him other than his continued intimidation, harassment, assaulting us, and blocking us of access to our property.
It just was a lot of unfairness going on, so it just feels very unjust.
Speaking on behalf of the family, Kishara Davenport says there's a hostile history here not represented in the courtroom.
But I do feel like it is racially motivated. I just hope that they're exposed when, when the trial does come.
Claiming the Butlers have called the police on the family around 20 to 30 times after the Davenports moved to the township 3 years ago. Fox 17 has requested those phone records from law enforcement.
I will start by saying thank goodness no one was shot, thank goodness no one was killed.
The judge deciding this case should move forward and be heard by a jury.
This didn't have to happen.
Now, trial dates for Suriya and Majer Davenport have not been set. And we should also mention Suriya's other son, Suriya Jr., is also charged in the case with misdemeanor assault and obstructing police. The Butlers have not been charged. In studio, Sam Lanstra, Fox 17 News.